Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Blazer. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with 2,600 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, 18-inch bright silver aluminum wheels, and your back tinted windows. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, all leather gray seating with a gray lining as well throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.